Hello students, today we will learn how to subtract 5 or 6 digit numbers. It is same as we had done in class 3rd, that is subtraction of 4 digit number. The only difference is that the digits get increase. So I have taken some examples. Let us start with the first example. The question is subtract 96,570 from 97,295. So you know that when from comes between the two numbers in difference, then we have to write the second digit on the top and first digit at lower place. So let us start with the subtraction. 97,295 minus 96,570. Now you know that the upper digit should be greater than the lower digit in subtraction. So first of all, we will check whether all the digits are greater. If not, then we will make them by taking borrow. So here 5 is greater than 0, it's fine. Now the 9 is greater than 7, it is also again fine. Now here 2 is smaller than 5, so we have to make it greater. So we have to borrow it from next place. So by taking borrow, it becomes 12. And what is left over here, that is 6. Now 6 and 6 is same, so it is fine. And here again 9 and 9 is equal, so it is again fine. So starting uh, subtracting, start the subtraction. So you know that we have to start with ones place. So 5 minus 0 is 5, then 9 minus 7 is 2, 12 minus 5 is 7, 6 minus 6 is 0, and 9 minus 9 is 0. So our answer is 725. Move to the next example. Find the difference between. So in this type of question here, what we have to see is which number is greater. That we have to write on the top. First of all, compare the numbers. Which one is greater? Here, 6,54,372, and other number is 1,28,453. So which one is greater? First number is greater. So we have to write this number on the top. And in second example, the question is 5,484 and 7,98,544. So which one is greater? The second number is greater. So we have to write the second number on the top. Let us do the question. So here the question is find the difference between. So this number is greater. We have to write this number on the top. 72 and 1,28,453. So we have to subtract it, and in this question this number is greater, so we have to write this number on the top. So 7,98,544 minus 5,000. So in this type of question, you know, we have I have already told you in class 3rd that we have to keep it in mind that the digit of ones place comes under ones, digit of tens place comes under tens, hundred under hundred, and thousand under thousand. So this is the most important thing when you are writing the numbers in column. Otherwise, you will not get the answer. So in this type of question, you have to check which number is greater. Then you can subtract. So start subtracting. So again, making the upper digits greater. 2 is smaller than 3. So we will borrow. It will become 12. And what is left over here is 6. Now 6 is greater than 5, so it's fine. 3 is again smaller than 4, so we will borrow. It will become 13, and what will left over here is 3. Now 3 is again smaller than 8. We'll again borrow. so it will become 13, and what will left over here is 4. Now 4 is greater than 2, it's fine, and then 6 is greater than 1, it is again fine. Now subtract it. 12 minus 3 is 9, 6 minus 5 is 1, 13 minus 4 is 9, and 13 minus 8 is 5, and 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 1 is 5. And in the same way, we'll subtract this also. Here 4 and 4 is equal, so it is fine. 4 is smaller than 8, so we will borrow it, will become 14, and what will left over here is 4. Now here 8 is greater than 4 is equal, it's fine. 8 is again greater than 5. Now 9 and 7. Now subtract it. 4 minus 4 is 0. 14 minus 8 is 6. And 4 minus 4 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. 9 and 7. So this is the answer. Now in the next question, the question is subtract and check your answer. Now we will learn how to check the answer. Here the question is 9,347 minus 1,251. So it is a direct question. There is no need to check which one is greater. It is 9,347 minus 1,251. So first of all, we will subtract it, and then we will check the answer. So we will make the upper digits greater. 7 is greater than 1. 4 is smaller, so we will make it greater by borrow, taking the borrow. So what will left over here? 2. 2 and 2 is equal, fine. 9 is greater than 1. Okay, now starting from 1's place, 7 minus 1 is 6, 14 minus 5 is 9, 2 minus 2 is 0, and 9 minus 1 is 8. Now you have to check the answer. What you have to do for checking, you have to add the difference, that means the answer, and the subtrahend, this. So you have to add these two numbers. So we will write it here, 1251. So this is the check we are checking here, plus the difference. So the difference is 8096. We will add these two numbers, then the answer should be equal to the minuend, that is this number, greater number. So we will add this. 6 plus 1 is 7. 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry over 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 8 plus 1 is 9. Now check it whether these two numbers are equal. If it is equal, then our answer is correct. So in this way you can check the answer. So based on this, we have an assignment, that is worksheet number 5. Thank you.